Today we are going to do the barbecue and swimming pool at home. So we're going to make ready our swimming pool. Help up the air pump. I'm going to fill up the air in the swimming pool. It has hole somewhere. I don't know how to find it out. Anyway, just try to find it out. See the bee, 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 bee. No.
அம்மா அப்படி பண்ணாத உன்ட்ட வரும் நீ அப்படி பண்ணாத
You know how to go ahead. Selva found out where is the hole. Here is it. Can you get the gorilla tape, please? See, can you see the hole? Yeah. I have the small puncture kit for my bicycle. So with the help of this one, I'm going to fix my swimming pool. I think it's enough for that, the small piece. You won't go and check the one first. That's the whole thing. Yeah. This is a perfect match, the size. Yeah. So with the help of this one, I'm going to fix it. So first I need to just clean it properly. It's really helpful. Better to keep one for your home for emergency usage for anything. With the help of this glue, I'm going to stick this one. Yeah, it's fine. Okay, no problem. Yeah, that's enough. I close it back and put it over here. The help of my finger, I don't help of with my finger I spread it. I don't recommend this one by finger, but time being I'm doing this one. Yes. After 10 minutes, it's fixed properly. Yeah, it's ready to fill up the air back again, and we're going to fill the water as well. Yes, thank you. எங்க கொண்டு போற காத்தடிக்க So we're going to fill up the air back. Ready? That's fine. So now fill up the water. Yeah. No, it's fine. You know what?
Okay.
Yeah. I'm going to put the barbecue there. Start the charcoal. Yeah. We need to put more the wood stick. Wait. We're going to put more the fast lighting wood. That's enough. I'm going to put more. Last time I put only few, but it's not enough for the whole barbecue. So this time I'm going to do much enough. Even I'm going to put some barbecue lighting fuels.
Okay.
Now my son going to light the barbecue, so he love it. Oh, yeah. You record the video. Because we take time to get the lighter, so it's all vape out. Finally, we got light the barbecue. It's flame well. The meantime, our swimming pool also ready. Just fill up the water. It's nearly. But still, the air is leaking somewhere. We need to fix it. The little one helps the brother to put the marshmallow on the stick. The barbecue was now slowly like off. I'm going to help with the fan, the air pump. Today our barbecue stuff, we are going to make all of them. First, chicken wings, fish, and lamb, garlic bread, beef burger, veg burger, prawn, marshmallow, and mushroom. Let's see. Our barbecue charcoal's ready to cook. Wow, it's really hot. So I'm going to make first burgers. We start with burgers. So my little ones enjoying the spoon. So water is hot, yeah? Give the ball out, fuck you.
Papa go do that.
No, yeah, you share with fuck you. Give the horn. No.
Apa kata di
Careful, Pakiam.
Kilos kanila. Yummy.
It's ready to cook burger now. Let's start. I put 4 beef burger and 2 veg burger because my son Salva is a vegetarian, so he loves only veg burger. It's really hot. Just move it somewhere. It's too hot over here. Oops. Yeah, it's my little one calling me. What? What, baby? Yeah. Say hi. Ta-da. Say, give me a flying kiss. Oh, it's nice. Good. Burger is ready, so I'm going to make the burger. So burgers are ready. She makes the lovely burgers with lettuce, cheese, and mayo. Yep, these two are beef burgers. 2 burger, 1 beef burger, and another one is a veg burger, and the garlic bread for my little one.
Beef beef apa?
No, 1 veg burger
இது வெஜ்
Give it to the baby, the garlic bread. Yeah. Bala, tanya no. It's hot maybe. This one is a veg burger. Okay. Bala. It's a beef burger. Bless you. Yeah.
ஒரு தட்டை வாங்கிச்சுங்க அந்த தட்டை வைங்க சாப்பிட்டு
Next we put the mushroom, marshmallow and prawn. If there are any prawn lovers, comment here, and the marshmallow lovers. Oh, it's a marshmallow melting. This is the first time I make the marshmallow. I don't know how to do that. Oops. I take off the marshmallow. It's melting. I turn the mushroom. I put the lamb as well.
பா
The next round, garlic bread. They feel hungry, so I ask me some garlic bread. Right, it's ready now. Disgusting fellow. So next portion ready, the fish, chicken wings and the lamb.
Hi, I'm going to taste the barbecue I have done today with sweet lime juice. First, I'm going to taste chicken wings. Wow, that's yummy. Rather than cooking, barbecue is very delicious. Okay, let me take some peri peri sauce. Spicy. Now I'm going to taste the lamb. More than a chicken. The meat is yummy. Wow. So now I'm going to taste a fish. This is my favorite.
Pakiam, you took off your pottu. See?
தேங்க்யூ. வாங்க போறீங்களா? அண்ணா கொடுக்க போறீங்களா?